Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all are having a great day. As you can see from my description, I'm going to be unbagging my Ipsy bag here. Just in case. Oh, I didn't get any add-ons this time, just to see if maybe that's why it takes so long for this thing to get here. But it came a little bit earlier than last month. But yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I was trying to save some money this month. So anyway, while I open my bag, I'll let you know a little bit about Ipsy. It is a monthly subscription. It costs $10 a month. You get 5 sample, deluxe, and or full-size products. Sometimes they may throw a full-size product in here. And you can add up to 3 additional items that can be either deluxe or full-size. You can get all 3 full-size if you want. The full-size products are $12 and the deluxe products are $3. And the add-ons go live on the 2nd at 6 a.m. Pacific time. Sorry, I'm a little kind of, I don't know, blotchy or something around here. It's hot as heck out here today in California. But anyway, I got my bag right here. I got a couple items outside of the bag. So let's go over what's in my bag first. So this is the bag for this month. It's this green kind of tropical. To me, I feel like I'm on a tropical island or something with the leaves and stuff. And it's got this pink tag. It says Ipsy. So let's open this up and get my card out of here so I know exactly what this month is all about. So this month is for July. The title is Dive In. It's a pretty nice card. It says summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin. I already got dewy skin. I went out even early this morning because I needed to run some errands and stuff, and I wanted to do it before it got hot. It says beach babe waves. Okay, let's start over. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. Hashtag Ipsy Dive In. So it says here all the products that are in my bag. And then on the back it says see you next month, but before you go, on August 2nd, you can add additional products to your, like I said earlier, on the 2nd, the add-ons add on, and you starting at $3. Supplies are limited and only available for 24 hours or until they sell out. So you only get 1 day to add on your add-ons. That sounds funny. But anyway, let's go into the items that I have outside of my bag. I have 2 masks here from Midflower. I got masks last month. I did just go in and change my profile to say I don't want these all the time. I said sometimes. I've been getting these now almost every month. This is supposed to be a hyaluronic acid moisturizing mask. I've never heard of this company or this brand. This is supposed to be a moisturizing and a replenishing mask, and it says merging cutting-edge technology with the ancient practice of using flower water in skincare. Midflower creates products that are both natural and effective. This 100% biodegradable mask delivers 24 hours of hydration while plumping up your skin and smoothing its texture. Okay, I get 2, is it 2 masks? Yeah, there's 2 masks in this little box. So, it's made in China. The next item, we all know that I love brushes. This is by firmabeauty. Their whole website is on the other side of the pen. I was looking for a pen earlier, that's why there it is. firmabeauty.com. And this is made in China. This is their Firma number 204. And this is saying it's the wide blender. So it looks like that. It is nice and soft. Is this made out of wood? It smells a little bit. I need to wash it, or at least clean it. On the hunt for quality brushes, look no further. All of firmabeauty's fab tools are skillfully handcrafted by Japanese artisans. This brush has ultra soft, wide bristles, which means it's ideal for applying shadow evenly and effortlessly with zero streaks or smudges. Okay, I mean it is soft, but I don't understand what you're talking about. This is more of a flat blending brush than a full-on blending brush. I mean, it's good for getting in the crease, but I wish I had my cell phone with me. It's not here. I left it in my car and I really don't want to go downstairs and get it. So I have 3 items inside my bag. The next item I have here is by ciatelondon. It's their Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. So it looks like that. It's just got this kind of pinkish color with some, looks like micro beads or something inside. Can you see them? There. Put my hand behind it. Can you see them? They're floating in here. So I'm assuming those are their the boosting things. So let's see what this says. This British company brand, Ciate, is known for creative, unexpected products that encourage you to flaunt your unique beauty, to hydrate, refresh, and prep your skin for makeup. Prep your skin for makeup. Sorry, it's like, I don't know. Smooth on this watermelon extract infused primer. It'll boost your glow and help your makeup last longer. We'll see about that, because right now there's no safety seal on this. Yeah, it smells like watermelon. Whoops. Yeah, it definitely smells like watermelon, and it does have, like I said, let me see, it's very water-like consistency. See it running down my finger? So let me put this on the back of my hand and see what that feels like. Yeah, you can smell the watermelon. It's like I just used like lotion. That's not what that's meant to be, but anyway. You see. Here's my 2 hands together. This one I put the primer on. I can't tell a difference or anything. Is it glowing a little more than the other? I don't know. Next item in here is by The Balm. I love their packaging. This is thebalmcosmetics eyeshadow in Ooh La La. I love their packaging. Look at it. 2 little ladies just sitting there drinking tea, because that's what palette this is from. It's from the What's the Tea? Hot Tea Eyeshadow Mini Warm Shade. It's infused with chamomile. So the one girl says it in English, and then the other one says it in French. C'était una infusion à la chamomile. Am I right, sister? Let me know. So here's what it looks like. You open it up. So what does it tell me? It looks like a really nice neutral shade. And look at it. It's in the shape of a cup, like a little teacup. And it says, what's the tea? It says Ooh La La right there. So what does this say? Aside from cool creative packaging, this screams girl power. The Balm's known for quick fix products that are easy on your wallet. A beautiful matte taupe color that lasts for hours. This versatile shade can be worn wet or dry all over your lids or as an eyeliner when wet. Oh, it is a small pan that's only half size. So there's probably another color up on top, because I do have a full palette. the balm stuff, and normally you get a shade below and a shade above. So let's stick my little fingers in here. Ooh, look at that pigmented. This looks like a nice kind of transition shade. Look at how pigmented that is. That's a nice pigment shade. Oh my gosh, a nice pigmented shade. You could probably use this as a transition or even as the color to go over and blend everything together. That's awesome. I needed a new kind of neutral taupey brown color. Awesome. I like that. That's really nice. And the last item in here is wrapped in my favorite thing for relieving stress, bubble wrap. It is the Pacifica Bronzed Rose and Coconut Infused Blush and Bronzer for your beautiful cheeks, it says. It's 100% vegan, cruelty-free. And there's 2 shades in here. Let me see if I can get it open. Okay, come on. I didn't bring my thingy over here. I guess I should have brought a cutter or some scissors. Come on, I don't want to ruin them. Ow, there we go. Ow, that hurt. Anyway. So, the fair started yesterday out here, so traffic by my area is really bad too. So here's what the packaging looks like. Oh, that's so awesome. So this is the box, and it says on the back, a rosy blush and bronzer duo to take you into summer, even if it is only in your dreams. It's not in my dreams. Believe me, it's hot here. Mineral color formula infused with coconut and rose, universally flattering. So this is supposed to be good for any, oh, I love this packaging. Is this full size? These are huge pans. Look how big that is. This is my hand, people. Look at my hand. It is, let me see. Look at that. That is huge. And then it's got a nice mirror. Sorry, blinding everybody. A nice full-size big mirror on the back. Nice. And one of the shades is, actually, it looks a little dark for me. But you know what? Even if it is, I can use this as, because it's powder, I can use this as not blusher and bronzer. So here's the pink. So that's the Wild Rose shade and Desert. So here's the, look at, but also look how it's imprinted. Look at that. It's so pretty. So here's my 2 colors, whoops, of the thing. Let me get a little more. Sorry, the middle one has my balm eyeshadow. This has my balm eyeshadow on it. So there's the 2 colors. I'm going to put it right next to, that's a nice pinky shade, Desert Rose, Wild Rose rather, and then the Desert. I'm not seeing the Desert Bronzy. Uh-oh, I used the wrong finger. That's why I'm not seeing it. There we go. Alright, there's the 2 swatches. There's the Desert Rose shade. It's a little, I like this. This here, on the other hand, I don't know. Maybe with a brush, it will look a little bit better. But I'm digging this. And I do like their eyeshadows. I do have a smaller palette that I got in Ipsy from Pacifica. So I'm liking that. I like the balm, this here, and the blusher. I'm not too sure about this. I don't know if you can see it there or not, but the shade's not, you're not seeing the shade. Anyway, there's my swatches. I know my swatches look terrible. So what does it say about this? I didn't tell you. It says, award-winning Pacifica is a brand that nurtures a passion for natural beauty with vegan and cruelty-free products. I did tell you it was cruelty-free, right? These buildable blushes and bronzers made just for Ipsy. Only made for Ipsy. will give you a sun-kissed look and rosy sheen in seconds. Plus, the compact has a handy mirror on the back. Alright. Well, I think I did pretty good this month. I got two makeup items, so I can't complain too much there about the fact, unlike last time, where's my makeup? So this time, I think they somewhat made it up to me. If they could do away with the masks for a little while and make a girl happy with something else, I will be very, very happy. So, considering we're in the middle of summer already, I just can't believe that already. I don't know where half the year has gone to. But anyway, I do hope you all have a great day. I hope you have a safe rest of the weekend, and I will see you guys all in my next video. It should be the full-size plus bag. So alright, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, everybody.